So today we'll be doing an unboxing of the brand new Amazon Echo Dot. Echo Dot. So as always, let's crack the box open.
Yeah, time in 3, 2, 1.
See. Good, open it.
Hold on, so the tiny Alexa is really cool.
Put it there.
So in this episode, we would like to show you some things about Alexa. In 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
But how do you it? Okay. Let me get.
And here it is, the Alexa Echo Dot. So as you can see, it is very small compared to the Alexa Echo Plus, but trust me, it is a very solid device. It feels premium, not too heavy, but overall it's good. As always, you can find the volume plus button, the volume down button, the action button, and the microphone off button. As you can see for yourself, the Echo Dot is very small compared to the Echo Plus. You probably need 5 of the Echo Dot to be able to match the Echo Plus. But for such a thin device, how will be the sound quality? We will talk about that shortly. Everything looks similar on both of the devices except from the microphone. On the Echo Plus we have 7 microphones, but on the Echo Dot we only have 4 microphones.
Alexa, where are you?
I am right here.
Alexa, can you play music?
I am right here. Resuming Spotify.
Alexa, where are you? And then
Alexa, stop. Alexa, set the volume to max. Alexa, play a good song for me.
Resuming Spotify.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, set the volume to max. Alexa, play music.
Of course.
Alexa, stop.
So as you can see, both of the Echo Dot and Echo Dot Plus sound good. Now it's very up to you to decide which one to choose. But I personally prefer the Echo Dot Plus because of the bass on the speakers. The Echo Dot also has some kind of bass, but it's not quite powerful as the Echo Plus. So I'll leave the choice to you. All right, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And don't forget to put a big fat thumbs up to this video if you enjoyed it. This is Maxi Limit signing out.